Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Hello Helper. And friend, today I am going to share with you how to change the default search engine in Google Chrome. So friend, in this tutorial I will show you step by step to do that. And if you're coming first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel because we are uploading this type of tutorials every day. So friend, let's get started. First we are going to open Google Chrome. And friend, here you can see DuckDuckGo is my default search engine, and here I want to change DuckDuckGo to Google search engine. Okay, so here we are going to search something, so you will get the perfect idea about it. For example, here I'm going to search books, and you will see DuckDuckGo details are showing over here. Okay, now we want to change the search engine. Okay, so what we will do, simply click on this three dot and which is available on right hand top, then select settings, and friend, here you simply click on this left hand side search engine. Okay, you simply click on it, and here you will see this option. You simply click on this change button, and here you will get these things. Okay, here if you want to change Bing, you simply click on it. If you want Yahoo, then you can click on it, but right now we want Google. Simply select this one and click on set as default. Okay, so right now you can see that my search engine is showing Google. Okay, let's see how it will look. When I click on new tab, here you can see on the address bar a small icon showing Google. Okay, when I search here books, okay, so automatically Google search engine is activated and all the details showing by Google. Okay, if you want to change this again, then what you will do, here you can also manage search engine. Okay, so simply click on it, this section, and here if you want to make DuckDuckGo or other search engine as a default, so what you will do, simply click on it and make default. Okay, so here this will come with the default search engine. If you want to delete any search engine, then what you will do, simply click on this three dot and then click delete. Okay, and here it will ask you to confirm. Okay, we are going to click on delete, so that search engine is removed. Okay, so friend, by this way you can easily set as a default search engine in Google Chrome. Also you can delete search engine from your Google Chrome browser. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, and if you're coming first time on this channel, please comment me below what things you like into this video. And if maybe have any query or question, you can comment me below, so I will give the answer. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.